Under Team, you have your team list. This is where your office admin and also all your technicians will go. To add a new team member, simply press Add Member. You'll start keying in your staff's information. Select their role, either office admin or staff, aka technician, and you want to be able to put in their birth date as well. Now you can go ahead and put in an image of the person. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture. This is very important because any type of email notifications that customers get about the technician will show this picture of the technician. So it's good to be able to have a photo in here. Lastly, you want to decide on which permissions this person should have. Do you want them to be able to edit the job status? You want them to be able to delete and cancel jobs? Do you want them to create estimates and invoices? And do you want them to be able to add, edit, and view clients? We just press save, and now it brings me back to the team list. In the team list, you will see the technician was added, but they're still not completely registered. They still need to go into their email and accept. If for some reason the email address was typed in incorrectly or something to that effect, if you need to change the technician's information, you could press the edit button. This also allows you to edit their permissions as well at any point in time. If you need to resend the email, you could certainly do so. But let's go ahead and complete the registration. I have the email already up. It says welcome to Clairvo. Click the link to set up a password. And create account. And just like that, the technician is in their own technician dashboard. We go back to the admin dashboard, still under team list, and now we see that same technician, the register status says registered. If you have a lot of technicians, you do have the ability to search by keywords, and also there is a sort feature as well. In Team, you have Team List and Overview. In Overview is where we store all the technician metrics. There are multiple ways that you could be able to filter these metrics, and that is today, last 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, or all time. The very first metric is your workload graph. This displays how many jobs your technicians have actually done. The next metric we have is workload hours. For workload hours, we take the length of time it took for a technician to complete each job, total all that data, and store it here. Keep in mind, this is not to be used for timekeeping purposes. This is just to be able to monitor your technicians. Next up, we have your customer satisfaction score, or CSAT. After each job, customers rate their experience on a scale of 1 to 5, helping you measure and improve your technician's performance. We gather all that data and store it here. The next stat we have is upsell tracking. Whenever a technician is performing a job and adding inventory to that job, they have the ability to check off if that product is considered an upsell item. We total all those numbers and store them here. The next metric we have is late arrival rate. How this is calculated is by the job start time. If the job start time is 8 o'clock and the technician presses start job at 8:01, they are considered arriving late. The last metric is top 10 employees. The metrics that we use to calculate this are going to be the upsell, customer satisfaction, and the late arrival rate. It is heavily based on the upsell and customer satisfaction rate. Late arrival rate is factored in, but not as heavy. Last but not least, you have your upcoming birthdays. The admin will receive an email ahead of time notifying them of any type of upcoming birthdays. That way there you could be able to plan something special for them.